Kasama mo ako sa lahat ng oras. Narito ulit-ulit ang map ko. Nananatili lamang sa tabi mo.
Ibibigay ko ang lahat. Sasamahan sa paglalaya.
Kasama mo ko sa paglalayag.
Hinding-hindi na ako lalayo. Magkasamang haharapin ng mga hamon. Sa lupa man o dagat, di magpapaawat. Aabutin ang lahat ng ating mga pangarap.
Mapat at magkalapat habang ating tinatahat. Taas sa tagumpay nating dalawa.
Just keep navigating kahit gaano kalalim na yan. 'Cause my heart goes where the best kahit gaano kalalim na yan. Samahan sa paglalaya. Hindi na ako lalayo. Sa mga harapin ng mga hamon.
Sa lupa man o dagat, hindi magpapawat. Aabutin ang lahat ng ating mga pangarap. Mga balat, magkalapat habang ating tinatakat ang taas sa tagumpay natin dalawa.
Just keep navigating kahit gaano kalalim na yan.
'Cause my heart knows where the path is. Kahit gaano kahirap na yan.
Let's go!
Life ain't a fairy tale if you can fly. You're the captain, pick up way to start again.
Get to action!
Navigate through the pain, don't be afraid to elevate.
Yeah, break the chain!
Keep the child side, yeah, keep the flame alive, yeah, keep pushing on the brake, yeah, keep the drive, yeah. Don't forget to start working, no, and if you feel like quitting, secure the boss.
I got you, I'm riding, let it out. Drop a table when you're done, climb down your face, keep pressing. We don't fall, we rise up, we keep fighting.
Let's go! Hey, she's Pinnacle Awards! Let's go! She's keep navigating. Keep navigating. My heart knows where the body's ibibigay ko ang kamay, sabay tayo maglalakbay.
Tuloy-tuloy dito, magkasama harapin ng mga hamon, mga alon. AZTR? We are
Aster.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, boss, Asia's Pinnacle Awards, for having us tonight, and we are so honored to be performing here. And I hope you can follow us on all our social media accounts. You can search AZTER_PH. Again, it's AZTER_PH for more. And we have a surprise for you guys coming, so you guys should watch for that. Maraming salamat po again.
AZTR?
We are Aster. Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.
Have a great night.